God knew that you're for me. Oh, it was written in the stars, the moon and the seas. And through all your love, completed half my day. Oh, how I feel with you, January's within my reach. So I say Alhamdulillah, I pray forever it lasts. And I just simply ask for your love. And you'll never be alone, my heart will always be your home. Our love is set in stone. You are the one, not all treasure you hold is silver or from gold. You're priceless on your own. We'll make our memories. I'll pray for you whilst you pray for me. When we sit beneath the stars, God knew it's you right from the start. And I am so blessed. God, please protect our love. I'll cherish the moments and all of its beauty that I feel. My heart and home are both wide open for sharing our dreams. And I thank you, God, for this love, 'cause you're the reason. The way that you led my life, led it to me. I give you my heart, I give from Allah. With every beat I feel infinite love. I pray that we are never apart. Felt it right from the start. I'll give you the word. So I say Alhamdulillah, I pray forever it lasts. And I just simply ask for your love. And you'll never be alone, my heart will always be your home. Our love is set in stone. You are the one. I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling. I need your help. My heart is breaking, so tired of crying. Lord, I'm calling. I need your help.